This video is primarily the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. Alright, so without ado, let's just start the unboxing. Alright, so let's bring out the package. Yeah. There you go. So we got the package here. So without ado, let's get our trusty knife. Where's our knife? Awkward. I'll be right back. While we're on this pause, don't forget to drink your water. It's very important to stay hydrated, and this has been your daily water reminder. Alright, let's get back to the video. I'm back, and we got our trusty knife. Well, multi-knife, multi-tool set knife. I really need to get better at coming up with names for things. But yes, we got our knife. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this right now. For the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna unbox it and just roll with it. Alright, let's go. Yeah, you should never cut towards yourself like this, but I don't care. This is my first unboxing. Let's have some fun. All right, so box is open. Let's dig in. Ready, set. Whoa. Actually, first, can we get a drum roll, please? Just for some suspense. Gonna hype this up as much as I can, which I am. I'm thoroughly hyped right now that I actually did spring for this purchase, as this was quite an impulse buy on my part, which is not good, but hey, let's just open it. All right, so there's the opening the flaps, second opening the flaps, and wow, there's a lot of bubble wrap. No, actually, I don't know what these are called, but whatever happened to the days where you know, you get those packages and they have like those poppable bubbles, and you just sit, instead of being so hyped on your package, you just sit there and you start popping bubbles for the next hour or two, and you're just so focused on popping bubbles that you totally forget about your package. Whatever happened to those kind of bubble wrappers? Now we got these big air bubble packaging thingies, and it's, did they pop? Hold on. Oh fuck! Okay. Alright, they pop, but I still prefer the OG bubble wrap. So let's get all this bubble wrap out of place. We'll put this over there so it's not on the table. We have clean. And behold, the DJI Mini 2. Right now in my head, I'm just processing this, that I actually have a drone now. And I don't know, the possibilities are endless, right? So here we go, we have the DJI Mini 2 in all its glory, and wow, this is such a compact little box that, I don't know, is the drone even in there? Like, is it that small that it fits in this little tiny box? I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so that aside, we'll put this here. You stay here, please, thank you. And we'll see what else we have. So here, also a little message for myself. I don't know if I'm gonna read this. I don't think I'm gonna include this in the official video, but a gift from me. Enjoy your gift. This is a present for working so hard all throughout these past couple of months. Also, happy early birthday from me. This is my early birthday present to myself, as my birthday is on August 13th. As I think in life, you need to really give yourself some gratitude and some presents just for your own personal self, you know, just to reward yourself for doing such amazing work you've been doing for the past X amount of time period, whatever. Anyways, all that shit aside, we're gonna continue with the unboxing. So that's it. That's all that was in the box. We're just gonna yeet this box away. Now we proceed to the actual unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. So we got the front. Right, we got the ultralight. So this drone, if you don't know, it's under 249 grams, which makes it able to fly without being registered or you having a drone license for that matter. Besides, we got some useless information. So stuff like where to download the app to control this and fly this. So I have an Android phone, Team Android all the way. I approve. Flip it to another side, we got more warnings, cautions, you know, blah blah blah, all the legality stuff. That, personally, whatever. So that's that. We got another Mac logo, which, hell no. let's move on to the interior, right? The contents. That's all what you guys have been waiting for, right? That's what I've been trying to drag this video out so I can get some minutes watched, right? All right, so how do we even open this? Oh, there's an open flap right here. How silly of me. Either way, we're gonna cut from the bottom and open this. All right, so we're just gonna make a small incision here. There, we made a small incision. Right. Oh, an incision on the sides too. I'm some surgeon right now with the way up with my vocabulary. Incision. There we go. We busted through. There we go. And on the other side too. The perimeter has been breached. Alright, there you go, finally. We got the plastic wrap off. It just feels so nice listening to this. This channel turned to the ASMR channel, guys. Open tab there. There you go. And now, that'll do. There we go. This is the DJI Mini 2, and holy crap, it is small AF. Like, this is my phone, right? And it's 6.2, and holy crap, this drone is smaller than my phone. Look at that. That's one of the downsides of having to adhere to that weight limit in order to keep it under the 250 gram mark. So we got the drone. Ooh, wow, okay. All right, so we got the drone. Really fragile little piece for me to handle right now, because I don't know how to do this. It's kind of a big moment. It's kind of a big moment for me. We'll leave that aside for now. With the rest of the box, we take off the layer that the drone was supposed to be in. Guess we can yeet this too. Next portion of the box we have is the accessories. So we have extra propellers. I think these are the thumb screws for the controller. We got... Oh, are you serious? Alright, sorry about that. We lost video. The camera overheated, and well, I am filming in 2.7K, so I asked for that. Either way, we're gonna use the backup audio from the Sky Shot. There you go, that's a good name. From the Sky Shot, and finish the rest of this unboxing until the video signal from the POV cam comes back. So, and what is this? I don't know what this is. It's like a syringe. Do we have to inject something? I don't know. What is this? Oh, okay. It's the screwdriver, I believe, to unscrew the props, maybe? Alright, so that's the screwdriver to fix anything that we need. Moving on to the third layer of this box. Damn. The packaging is like really nice in this. Alright, so we'll put that aside. Third layer is the controller itself. Oh, this reminds me of getting the Canon T6i. It's like in the similar packaging, and this is the controller that you will use to fly the actual drone with. And here we go. It's just sealed with like a little adhesive. It's like one of those static cling that they encased it in. My camera came with this, and I don't know, it feels nice to touch. Alright, so we'll take out the controller now. Wow. It feels like a PS3 remote. Oh, okay, so we have the controller sticks inside there already. Face cam is back. Sorry, the camera kind of overheated as I explained earlier. Okay, so let's just, I think we should start with the controller. No, should we start with the drone? Should we start with the drone, or should we start with the controller? Let's start with the controller. So this is the DJI Mini 2 controller, and essentially I went with the DJI Mini 2 for all its more advanced capabilities than its younger brother, which is the Mini SE. The controller itself is an upgrade from the Mini 2 SE's controller, as the controller is more, I would say, plasticky than anything. This is at least got some depth to it and some weight to it, you know. I should probably stop doing this unless I want to yeet this controller out of my hand. I believe we just take these out like this. Wow, these are really tiny. Yeah, these are really tiny. All right, so back to the controller. I believe we just screw these in like this. screw this. Oh. Wow, okay, these are gonna be, I think I'm gonna have the controller prepared for flights before I get out of the house, just so that I don't lose any of these thumbsticks. Now I know why they included an extra pair just in case. So the drone itself. All right, so the yellow tabs here, we'll just pull it off here. Ooh. All right, so that's one side, the other side. There you go. All right, so that's one set of stickers off the drone first. The next set is the propeller guards. I'll take that off too. All right, they have some kind of QR code here. I think I'm gonna scan that later, so we'll take off that, and we'll take off the last one, which is on the back over here. Actually, there's two more. So we'll do this one first. Okay, and that's that. And we'll do the last one, which is the big one on the back. Charge to activate the battery first before first time use. Okay, so this is the battery compartment. We're just gonna take that out here. Just like that. Right. That's the battery. That's, blades, can you come out first? All right, so those are the blades. They've been released. Release the Kraken. And here's the battery itself. So I got the non-Flymore edition. It's capable of holding up to, I don't know, I think I read somewhere 2000 milliamps or something. It's more than these camera batteries itself, so that's that. We got the micro SD slot and the charging, the Type-C charging cable here, or the port here. And I guess we're gonna have to charge up this thing before we fly it. After I clean this all up and I actually learn how to turn this on and fly it, of course, I'm going to be filming that as well. My first ever experience of flying a DJI Mini 2 or whatnot. I will surely have that up soon, but it'll be in the next video. For now, I'm just gonna... Ooh, that's actually really satisfying. Essentially, I'm gonna clean all this up. Alright, so that's gonna conclude the unboxing for the DJI Mini 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. And who knows, from this video, you guys might want a drone now. So, either way, comment below if you guys do end up getting a drone on this video, and we'll go link up sometime and fly drones when I actually know how to fly drones, or fly this thing, of course. So yeah, we'll do that. If you guys want to purchase the DJI Mini 2, I do have a Amazon link in my description below. It's essentially a affiliate link for me. I get a small little portion of your purchase. It doesn't come extra, it's baked into whatever you buy from Amazon. So if you do want to get a DJI Mini 2, use the referral or use the affiliate link below in my description. It'll help me recoup some of my losses, I want to say. Maybe not losses, but either way, it'll help me recoup some of the money that I put into this drone, and essentially it'll help me evolve this channel into what it can be. So yeah, if you do want a DJI Mini 2, use the link below. I'll have it on, let's see, the first line in my description maybe? No, maybe not. But either way, it's going to be in the description below. Please click on that if you do want to purchase a DJI Mini 2, or you're just looking into getting one yourself. So without ado, let me just close out this video. It's been an awesome unboxing video for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button for me. That'll be greatly appreciated.